All right, this is number 3 from the homework tonight. We're going to solve this system by graphing. What it means to solve a system is I want to find an ordered pair. I want to find one point on this whole thing that makes this statement true when I plug it in for x and y, and makes this statement also true when I plug it in for x and y. There could only be one point that does that. We're going to find that point by graphing. I've actually already graphed one of these lines. Notice this is in slope-intercept form. My intercept starts at -2. My slope tells me to go up 1 over 1. So I've already graphed that line here. This guy's a little harder though. This one we've got to put into slope-intercept form before we can start graphing. I'll rewrite that down here. 2x plus 2y equals 4. Put it in slope-intercept form. I want to get that y by itself. So I'll start by subtracting that x term over. And I get 2y equals -2x plus that positive 4 that was there. Y isn't by itself yet. Divide by 2. So all the terms there. And we get y equals -2 over 2 reduces to -1x plus 2. Now that this is in slope-intercept form, I can graph the equation. This one I start up at +2, and I count down 1 over 1 for my line. Start at +2, right there. Down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Ends up going through a line that I had already graphed right there. So let's draw this line. So we can see that when I graph both of these lines, they cross right here at the point 2 for x, 0 for y. This is our magic point here. 2 for x, 0 for y. The point where they cross is the exact point where if I plug in 2 for x and 0 for y, it should make both of these true. Let's just go ahead and verify that real quick. 2 for x, it's going to be 2 times 2. 0 for y plus 2 times 0 should equal 4. Is this true? 4 plus 2 times 0 is just 0. Yep, that's true. 2 for x right here. 0 for y. 0 equals 0. Yep, that's the one point that's true for both of those equations. So we've just solved this by graphing.